give you more clarity. Let me bring up my chart. So, friends, welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. And this is the last and the final installment of indicators which I have coded so far. And today I'm about to launch master market structure. This is a like Wyckoff stock, the Wyckoff trading system, which has already been introduced. It has been like updated till this time, and it has multiple features to it. I think I have given a presentation on this also. So please let me in the chat box. Please let me know. Are you if you are not able to hear my voice clearly, or if my voice is clear to you, please type yes so that I can understand that my voice is getting it to you. I'm trying my level best to speak slow so that I don't want any others to face problem in subtitles. Okay. This is the version which I have introduced today. Okay, hi. Hello, Bill. Nice to see you, man. So, we'll start with the presentation. This is by far the best way or method to identify market structure. So, the indicator name is, I'll not call it as an indicator, it is an entire tools by itself. Quadri WTA Master Market Structure version 104. This is the final installment of my indicator series. So this works on, let me put up, which instrument do you trade, Bill? Can you just help me with the chat? Which instrument do you trade? XAUSD, excellent, my favorite one. So this you might be seeing these two lines over here. One is orange. Let me change the color of my pen. Let me be green. So you might be seeing one darker. Okay. So this is a resistance zone. Blue one is a support zone. This zone is the inception point is a star. Here the inception point is a airplane. So what does this system, what does this levels means? These are the most precise levels to be drawn in the market for future trading. So like as we are observing on our chart, people might have heard of many analogies and many things wherein people try to start or try to make a chart based on SMC imbalance, uh, fair value gaps and imbalances, demand supply zones, all this other stuff which is right now commonly practiced by many traders. But the thing behind this thing is I was in like for since a long time. I was trying to collaborate price with volume, which is the essence of Wyckoff. With due respect to my mentor David, I based on his teaching, which resonated with me, trading around the edges. So based on the his teaching and his principles, I based on my observation, I came up with certain price and volume collaborations. So based on those collaborations, we get certain set of. Once again, we have new entrant. Just Bill will wait for 1 minute. Okay, who is the new entrant? Is my voice clear to you, my brother? Walter. Walter, are you able to hear my voice clearly? If your mic is not working, you can use the chat. So that we'll be able to trade the market in a best favorable situation for us. So these levels, this is an airplane, this is a star, orange line, navy blue color line. This suggests a support formation. This suggests a resistance formation. There is a common analogy between which is preached by many Wyckoff traders, especially David used to talk about this one. A resistance and a support. If there is a successful breakout test of the like here, resistance gets converted into support and prices rises. And there is one more analogy. Uh, this is support gets converted, which is broken. Price comes back to the support level, test it, and it goes down. Now it is converted into resistance. So this was some kind of analogies which he came up and he taught me, and based on that I tried to compute it in a program format, and this is it what we got. So Walter, in the beginning I was talking about there are many ICT concepts, there are many imbalances concepts, SMC concepts, and whatnot and whatnot. So and demand and supply zone. So there are n number of things which are going on in the market, and people are practicing based on it. So to get the proper solution to all these things, I'm introducing Quadri's WTA Master Market Structure version 104. What it does, it evaluates price plus volume plus momentum. This gives us the key price level in the market, wherein in future price has high probability to sustain or to give us crystal clear signals, either downwards or either upwards, or either when we are facing any sideways movement. So for that purpose, we'll just dive into a small presentation on this, which would be a live market session. As you can see, we are observing 1 hour market, 31 minutes and 47 seconds are just to pass. So I'll do one thing, let it be. So in many like for market structure, many people devise many different tools, many great traders, many great coders, they devise very different tools. I appreciate their work, but all things are like not resulting is in what a trader is expecting out of it. So what a trader is expecting, if there is a support formation, if this is, think as if this is an ambiguous portion, we don't know what happened over here. So based on that, if this level keeps on extending, it has to prove itself whether it is being supported or respected, or price is just going past it, up and down, up and down. So that doesn't make any sense. So based on my studies and based on my observation, what I've developed this tool as, it will, whenever the price will reach it, there are three things which will happen. First thing, it will stop at this particular point. Either ways, if you are coming from up to down, the first condition would be it will respect this level. That means price will stop here and it will get a trading opportunity. Second thing, if price is coming upward from a downward stride and it is going to establish an uptrend, it is going to respect it. See over here, and this gives us a selling opportunity. Third thing which will happen with this level, price will move with high acceleration through it. So this signifies that this level is quite essential and holds a greater degree of interest within smart money or institutional operator, institutional traders, or the big players, to be precise. So how to use this? It is simple. Whenever you see this kind of formation, I wait for the test. I have another indicator which I'm going to give along with this thing. It is a combo product, market structure with Wyckoff trading system version 1-on-1. So the person opting for this is the combo uh, systems. So if a person is opting for both the things, he knows how to trade by way of trading either in terms of only levels or either in terms of tape reading triangles or either in terms of dynamic trend line and stop loss. So these are the indicators which will help you in identifying the market and what sort of potential does the market has. Is it a right time to buy or wait for the opportunity to come? So coming back to our levels, I would be a buyer over here. So this is my buying opportunity based on the studies of Wyckoff. This is a spring test of the spring. Volume has to be low. If you want to cross verify it, you can cross verify it with this one, with this bar tool. As soon as we are approaching downwards, the selling is losing interest, and this interest is completely deviated or completely overtaken by the demand. And again, there is a low supply area. This is the place to place your bet with a stop underneath for the higher targets. And in that case, based on this analogy, a target is achieved. So this is how it has to be traded, and it gives you ample of opportunity to trade. Whenever you will see this line will be respected. Here it was the initiation point. The plane and the star is only meant for you to identify the inception point. Look, the line started from here, it got respected over here, and price went down. Again over here, only one candle closing above the level. Second, after the second level, price came down. Third time, price tried to break it, but it failed. Fourth time, tried to break it, but it failed. So in every failure, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 trading opportunities. And all the opportunities, they gave us good risk to reward. You see, in terms of price, you can do the math. $13.6 point, 10 points, and this one was the last. 14 points. 14, 13, 10, 37, 37 and 6, approximate 41 points within a span of 6 Jan till 11 Jan. Are you people with me so far? Okay, don't problem. No, there is no problem. If you have any problem with the audio, you can view the recording and you can. So this is how it's going to work. And apart from this, here also price respected this level. Here also price breakdown respected the level and down she went. And it works on excellently well on any damn good time frame. Just look at the beauty of the system. Price rotated from this particular point. We are observing daily chart on a time frame, daily time frame. This was the area rejection, price acceleration towards passing through it, We got a support at this particular point, support at this particular point. Even if you were in a position to plan a trade, this is the best place to place your trades with low risk and high gain. 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, 1:10. Achieving this type of risk to reward is not big deal. On an average, 1:3 is what I usually get out of this thing based on my risk to reward. This was daily. Even if you come down to 5 minutes for intraday or for a day trading kind of thing, then you can see you got a buying opportunity over here, buying opportunity over here. See the beauty, how price is coiling around this one. It has to be some sort of greater interest attached to it or behind it for it to behave in such manner. See, we got this this buy, this buy, then this exact moment, then test of this particular level, then we got back we got the retracement, and then up sugar. So on an intraday basis also, you see whatever time frame, even if you come down to 1 minute for scalping, it will work like anything. Like this is the most recent one made. This is the most recent one. So even in terms of profit and risk to reward ratio, can you play the replay bar to see when it appears? I'm going to. This is actually this presentation which I'm taking right now is on other ID. I'll be doing a bar replay session mostly by today or tomorrow at max. By tomorrow I'll be updating the bar replay session so that many of your doubts would be cleared in it. Today is the launch, so I am not taking it on that one. I'm taking it on like for the people who have free access to internet, like to TradingView. So tomorrow I'll be doing it. So this was a shorting opportunity. This is the gain so far. As usual, your stop would be, and it has to be above this level. By so you have already achieved risk to reward 1:4. So low risk, high trade, high reward trade, and that too on a level which is printed a long back, and market still respects those levels. See how beautifully it respects. See how beautifully it respects. So every time these levels are plotted, they are not plotted to trade current market. They are plotted to trade future markets, future trades. So they give an assurance, and all those things, all the lines and everything, they are non-repaint. They are non-repaint. I'm into trading since 15 to 16 years. I'm coding by myself. So repainting thing is not by any chance, it won't happen. The only thing is like signal may appear a few bars back or forth, but once they have appeared, we have to use these levels in future. So this is how the case is. Like this is the top which was made, and price came back, and it went down, and again it came back, and see the beauty of this system. It went, or I should say, it was a knife fall kind of a thing. So if you compare this one, 2.71. My average is of 1:3. So again, if you don't feel comfortable with placing this one, this this is like if you feel like this stop loss is huge for you, so you can come down to smaller time frame and you can play around with it. And the beauty of this system is you don't have to go here and go in and out within different time frames. This is the beauty of the system, because many of the people, many of the traders, they face problem in going in and out in different time frames, doing analysis on a daily time frame and weekly, monthly, 4 hour, H4, H1, 15 minutes, and taking the position on some other time frame. Because the professional traders, they always focus 80% of the time on the time frame they are trading on, and every level has its importance. Like for this stop might have some sort of resistance to which from where it has turned around. Like for example, this is the level 2049. 2049 and price turned from this level. If you are trading with this tool and you know this is the obstacle, we have to we have to pass through this obstacle, and then the next point would be this point 57, 49 and 57. The price turned downwards from this particular level. So this is the master market structure. Don't have to do any setting. Don't have to insert anything. You just apply it on the chart. And as far as bar replay is concerned, bar replay would be conducted. I'll try my level best after completing this session. I'll try to make a bar replay on gold, GBP USD, and Euro USD, so that you can make the difference in how the signals are being plotted on the chart and how what is the time duration it takes. So thanks a lot for the attending the session. Today I am officially launching this system. You can avail this system. As usual, I have a habit. I only keep I keep strict deadlines. For this particular system, the deadline is of 5 days. So like till 5th of Feb, you can avail the system, and after that you will not get the system at least for a month or so. So, or I'll see if BTC. Okay, you tell me which market you want to see. I'm. This is a universal BTC. Can you BTC USDT, and which you want, spot or Binance or what? Binance. BTC USD or USDT you want? This is the USD. Okay. Which time frame do you want, my brother? 1H. Okay. Voila. See the beauty of the system. It respects each and every instrument. You're trading Nasdaq, you're trading an NYC, you are trading any stock, you're trading any silver, gold, any financial market. It respects. It's a one-time solution for everything. Bitcoin versus US dollar. See, okay. This is 4th and 15 minutes. It works excellently well on any time frame. This was the inception point. Price respected this level, bounce back from this point, bounce back from this point. Again respected over here, price acceleration over here, a struggle of price over here, again struggle, failure to hold it, again came back, again struggle and came back, and upswing. Look at this portion. 1 minute. Okay. It works on any time frame, either 1 minute or 1 month or 1 year or 12 years. Doesn't make any difference. It's one of the finest and best. Actually, it's a breakthrough from my side to Wyckoff students. Look at the beauty. You can plan your trade well in advance. You know the pain areas, and you can plan your trade. Even if you trade stocks, like I've seen on Apple, Boeing. That's the reason I asked you about some French stocks also. Whether you are any add the candles indicator on 15 minutes. Candles means you are talking about this one, or you want candlestick to be you want to see candlesticks. Can you just be more clear with this one? Okay, you are talking about 15 minutes candle, your indicator or my indicator. Okay, on 15 minutes you want, na? Look, where I would buy and where I would sell. Price, we are coming down. Strong selling pressure, strong selling pressure, strong selling pressure. Here, we have no supply. After that, this was an effort versus result and a spring over here. Then after that, this is the test of the spring. I would rather love to be a buyer over here or at this particular bar, because after the strength there is no supply or lesser supply. What I was expecting, if this is a supply, then we would have got this kind of bars formed in a downwards direction. So this goes along with my theory of this level would be at least held for some particular time, and I got this much of bounce. And here also you can see buying, selling came into picture, selling, buying. This is a great sign that this is a congestion, not an absorption. I'll tell you there are some certain clear things. where we understand absorption. But this is a tug of war where there is equal force of selling and equal force of buying. So this is a pain area. Again, same thing happening over here. And like see, heavy selling. Can anyone say only one or two buying bars? Will will this price hold this level? No, absolutely no. After this bar, it was evident if price is about to go, it has to reverse from here. But that doesn't happen, and we continue our downward journey. So this is my preferred way of trading with this level is tape reading. I prefer tape reading as a Wyckoff student, as these levels are made purely based on price and market and volume, and this one is also made on price and volume. So this is just a launch. I'll take detailed sessions about this one. One thing before we conclude, I'll give an explanation on this one. See the beauty of this thing. Here buying was present. Here buying was present. All of a sudden we start seeing selling, and no whatsoever any tiny buying bars. And this was the decisive bar, only feathers weight, which tipped the market towards the downward side. So on this bar, I would opt for a sell trade with stop loss above based on the level formed. And by this bar, this level would have been confirmed. And when it is confirmed, it is non-repaint. So if you want to avail this indicator, yes, it is a color candle. I'll take the another sessions because I'm running out of time. Tomorrow also I'm planning to take any session. And if you want, Bill, I can take up your private one-to-one session. Don't worry about that thing. If you're available in the morning as per Indian Standard Time. So this is, if you want to come into 5% per people earning money. So please don't let this thing pass out. You have only 3-4 days left to purchase it. And after that, I'm only giving 10 license. And then after that, I'll shut it down. So thanks a lot for being this audience. And please, if you have any question left, please WhatsApp me. You have my WhatsApp number.